my cards are different than the cards, many of the card kits you see on Etsy, because I'm going to give you the cards and I'm going to give you all the embellishments and shapes and items that you're going to put on the cards, but I don't have a preset design for every card. You're going to receive 12 cards created from a heavyweight watercolor cold press paper. And then you're going to receive 12 different designs that will go on the face of the card. Actually, you would get two of this design, for example, two of this design, two of this design, and so on. I give you 6 different designs in a kit. So along with that, you're going to get tons of rhinestones. You're going to get a lot of snowflakes. You're going to get like 48 different 1-inch circles. You're going to get 12 different rectangular shapes. And you're going to get 2 pages of sentiments. And the sentiments range from Happy Holidays, Happy Kwanzaa, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Good Tidings, 'Tis the Season, and that sort of thing. So you have all of these things, and you have a similarity in colors and shapes, so you will be able to create a stunning composition in any arrangement. And that's the total fun of this, is to think about, what do I want to do? So you have a real decorating session, a nice design session, without, it's not like decorating, icing your cookies where you're eating and snacking. This is really satisfying without the calories. So, there's just a ton of things you're going to want to do with this. It's a lot of fun, and reach out to me with any questions you have. You get a glue stick with this, so the process would be have a plain piece of paper near you so that can be your basis for gluing, and you're going to apply glue thoroughly to the back of this sheet, and you're going to make sure you have it straight. It's not really difficult to do. And then you can press with your hand. You want to make sure this is glued down securely before you continue on. Once that part is done, then you're going to go back to your piece of paper. You're going to use your glue stick and apply your glue and put your items down. Now, if you have a composition where you feel it's a little complex, you can take a picture of what you have done and then refer to it, because sometimes it can get down to the very placement of where do I want these little rhinestones. But the name of the game here is have fun designing your cards. So when you're finished, I'm going to give you some selections for the back. You can, I will make ones for you that say created by Sarah, or, simply handcrafted, if that's something you want. So that's an option, that's included. If you want that, I will provide those for you. So any questions, any further questions you have, message me on Etsy. Happy making.